Hello everyone, I'm back again with another Clip Studio Paint tutorials. So today I'm going to teach you about how to crop an image and change the resolution. So for cropping an image, you're going to select the selection area tool, which is M in your keyboard. And then after that, you're going to select the rectangle here in the options. And then you're going to select the area that you want to crop. Once you've selected the area that you want to crop, you click this icon here, which is crop, and that's how you crop an image. So to change the resolution of the image, you're going to go to edit and then find the change image resolution here, and you're going to click that, and then another window pops open, and you can see the width and the height of your current image, which is 589 by 866. So let's change that to something higher. And as you can see, both the width and the height changes, so it scales the image. So I'm going to put 3000. So when you click OK, it's going to change the image resolution to your new uh, image resolution that you've selected. So now your image has a higher resolution.